Well, spring is in the air. I'm Jeff Schwartz. This is our May shop update video. Let's check out what we got going on in the shop this month. Well, we're working feverishly to get this Jag done. Wiring obviously is a big issue and we're nearly done with that. And we hope to have it running real soon. This is that 1,000 horsepower 66 Chevy Nova. We got it fired up this week. Can't wait to burn rubber down the street with it. We have some custom CNC machined valve covers and blower top for this 54 Studebaker. And they are being powder coated right now, and then we've got some special engraving that'll get machined into the covers to make them unique to this car. So can't really do much right at this moment until those pieces arrive, then we can fire it up and get on to the final upholstery end of things. I gotta say, the 502 big block in this 54 Chevy pickup really sounds great. Customer came in for a visit, loves what he sees, and we should be wrapping this up and going to the upholstery shop for the last little bits of interior to be done. Awesome truck, love the patina. We finally got the iPad for this 70 Charger, and we'll be getting on programming that real soon. And yet another Tri-5 comes in for a chassis installation, this one a 55 Chevy. We've just completed adding the roll bar that the customer wanted in this wide body twin turbo Monza. This is going to be a wild ride. We've wrapped up the bulged hood that the customer wanted on this 68 Chevelle, and now we're on to the next part of the build. Another chassis installation, this being a 68 Camaro. We've got this chassis here along with an LS engine going in it. We've got the steering column and the serpentine drive on this 632 powered 57 Chevy. Next we'll be going on to fabricating headers. This is our 1979 Corvette shop project. We've just fitted our revised C3 Corvette chassis with the optional rocker arm independent rear suspension. I just spent the last several hours fabricating some mini tubs with carbon fiber and fiberglass resin, and we've got a few surprises on this car coming up for you in next month's video, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, there's a few cars missing from this month's shop update video. Well, there's several reasons for that. We do use some subcontract operations for completing the builds. The black Trans Am is having a clear paint protection film installed, and it's ready to be test driven. The Mercedes is having the custom interior wrapped up, and then we have the Roadrunner with the Ray Barton engine. That car is being stripped of the paint and so forth. So that's been sent out for a dipping process that's going on. And then we've got a Chevelle, a 66 Chevelle that's being bodyworked and painted off-site. So there's many other projects that are still in the works that you saw in the last couple months and they're not here. And then we do have a few where bills haven't been paid, so those are kind of on the back burner for now. But we hope to see you next month. This is a beautiful bronze chassis here going to a customer. And we do offer any type of color you want on chassis. However, the custom colors can get expensive. So that's all for this month. We hope to see you next month, and have a great weekend.